When we hear smart home, something like this appears in our minds, and it's very easy to make for your school project or your college project. In the end, our home looks modular, or you can say that we just look rich. So, I have so many people who are using Arduino for this, but there are many people who are not much experienced in the terms of programming. So basically guys, I'm going to bypass this Arduino from here, and in the end, we'll make this very same water dispenser without any Arduino or any programming in very less cost. So are you ready guys? Let's see. Hare Krishna. One IR sensor module, one relay module, and one servo motor. So guys, here we are going to make some changes in our servo motor. As we all know, the servo motor has mainly 3 wires for controlling its revolutions, but we are not going to use these 3 wires. Actually, we are going to use these 2 wires because from here we can directly use our motor. So guys, here I am going to solder my 2 wires. And while doing this, I had forgot to set my camera. And once I've soldered my 2 wires, I have tightened up my screws of my servo motor, and now it's ready to use. But before that, I'm going to fix my propellers also. And here I have got 3 main propellers with it also. So I'm going to use this one because it exactly fits with my recommendations. I have left all the links for you in the description to purchase all these components at very less cost. And now it works just like a geared motor, but now I'm thinking that why didn't I use the gear motor instead of this? Now we have to solder these 2 modules as shown in this figure. Let me tell you, you can use this system on your hand wash to make an automatic hand wash dispenser also, and you can use all these components to make an automatic fire extinguisher which I had made earlier. I'll leave the link for you in the description box, so watch that also. And then I opened my large box of cables and started to search for the cable which I wanted, and I think this one is good for me, so I'm going to use this one. And guys, we are only going to use 5 volts 1 ampere over here, so make sure that you are not going to burn up your modules. As I told you before that 5 volt 1 ampere is the best requirement for this module, so don't exceed it. And as you can see, our sensor is working very nicely, so we are going to use this for our filter. And by using this potentiometer we can adjust its range also. It is able to sense my hand over here, and if I would put my glass over here, so it is able to sense that also. So I am ready to tie up my servo motor with my tap over here. And here's the final result guys. Whenever we'll put our glass over here, our servo motor will pull up the tap, and then it would lead the water to flow. So guys, I hope you really like this video. Share with your friends, and if you have any suggestions or any ideas, just let me know in the comments below. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel because I have brought this series for you to make all these IoT projects at very less cost and very easily. So Radhe Radhe.